What is that? Pull it. Can you swear on my video?
Sorry, yeah, I had my video on too.
What is it? What is that, Hunters? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, what is it? Is it a giant Chewy? Oh. How do you do it? Brad, come here. What is that? Huh? Hunter.
I was gonna say before you leave tonight, break it in half so he doesn't eat the whole thing.
What is that?
He doesn't know how to do it.